What if you could start making money online using simple websites that are already paying people every day? The internet has opened opportunities that didn't exist a few years ago. In this video, I will show you several websites people use to earn money online. Some require small skills, others can be started by almost anyone. And make sure you stay until the end because the last one might surprise you. Website 1. UserTesting. The first website is UserTesting. This platform pays people to test websites and applications. Companies want to know if their platforms are easy to use, so they hire normal users to explore their websites and give feedback about the experience. During a test, you simply record your screen and speak your thoughts while navigating the website. Most tests take between 10 and 20 minutes to complete. The company then reviews your feedback and pays you for your participation. While this will not make you rich overnight, many users appreciate it because the tasks are simple. If you already spend time online browsing websites, this can be a way to turn some of that time into small earnings. Website 2. Shutterstock. The second website is Shutterstock. This platform allows people to upload photos, videos, or illustrations and earn money whenever someone downloads their content. Businesses, marketers, and designers constantly need images for websites, advertisements, and presentations. Instead of taking their own photos, they often buy them from stock platforms like Shutterstock. If you enjoy photography or creating digital images, this can become a passive income stream. You upload your content once, and every time someone downloads it, you earn a small payment. Website 3. Upwork. The third website is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms where businesses connect with people who offer digital services. On this platform, you can find jobs like writing articles, translating documents, editing videos, designing graphics, or managing social media accounts. Many freelancers begin with small projects. As they gain experience and positive reviews, they can start charging higher prices and attracting better clients. Website 4. Amazon Affiliate. The fourth opportunity is the Amazon Affiliate program. This program allows people to promote products and earn a commission when someone buys through their special referral link. For example, if you recommend a product in a YouTube video or on a blog and someone buys it through your link, Amazon pays you a small percentage of the sale. Many creators combine affiliate marketing with content creation. Over time, this can grow into a long-term passive income stream. Website 5. Fiverr. The fifth website is Fiverr. Fiverr allows anyone to sell digital services online. These services are called gigs. Some people offer graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, or writing services. Others offer simpler tasks like creating social media captions or basic presentations. Many freelancers start with small gigs that cost $5 or $10. Over time, they build a portfolio and begin offering larger services for higher prices. One important thing to understand is that making money online rarely happens instantly. Most successful people online start small and gradually build their skills and reputation. The internet rewards consistency. If you continue learning, improving your skills, and trying different opportunities, your chances of success increase significantly. Many people give up too quickly because they expect immediate results. But the reality is that even small earnings can grow over time if you stay consistent. The internet has created more opportunities to earn money than ever before. The key is choosing one method and giving it enough time to grow. Which of these websites would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about money, mindset, and financial growth, subscribe to Mind Over Money.